I'm going to open this, and then my mom and dad bought this for Christmas for me. And then I'm going to open it. Hello! See this? I love this stuff. I have to do this. Because I think it's easy. And then that was quick. And then here's here's my O.M.G. And then she has some presents we're going to open later. I do need scissors. And then look at her. She looks so pretty. And then I'm going to open these when I open the doll up. I have this. Okay. Now I'm going to open this one. Ooh, a jacket. Pretty nice. And then the other one. Ooh, pants. Oh, stuck. Yeah. And then I want to open this. My shoes. Okay, I got it. Look at these shoes. Look. These high heels. And we're going to open the next pile one. And then we can open our O.M.G with my mom's help. I just opened it from here. Is it? Ooh!
What is it?
Earrings and look at these sunglasses. Look! And then I have to clean up this. My mom's going to help me clean this.
You want to remove the doll?
Yeah, I need my mom's help moving the doll. Here, Mom. Look. This old box.
Oh, I love her hair.
Thank you, Mom.
I love her hair.
And then look at her. See.
I love the hair.
Don't break the hair. After this, and then I'm going to do this one. Thank you, Mama. And look.
Here, open this up.
And I'm going to change her later. And I'm going to open this up. Thank you. Look at this bag. It looks like money. And then I love her hair. Look at her hair. It's like
What's her name?
I don't know. Mommy, now it's this one. I'm going to call her name like something like Michelle. And then look at these socks. They have socks. And then they have swimsuits. See their swimsuit. Okay, I wanted this doll forever. Now my mom is going to help me put on the shoes. Ma, can you help me put on the shoes? Thank you, Mama. Look at these earrings.
She got big feet.
I know. And it's hard to put on, Mom. I'm going to be ready.
Here you go.
Thank you, Mommy. I want to do the earrings later, and then I'm going to put on her jacket. Mommy, how do you open this? I'm just doing like that. Easy.
jacket, you gotta remove her hand first.
They took off their hand.
Mm-hmm. That one.
Mommy, help! Oh no! Look at the hand!
And then
Look,
you got
my
to
hands.
go like this.
My hands are different. Just open it. Later. I'm doing my video. I'm going to
This
open
is cute.
this.
Don't lose the hand.
No.
So Alexa, say bye.